Hey guys, it's me again. So we're going to dive right into this video. This is mainly going to be about excursions that you can do, places you can go see while in Cabo. So first and foremost, you can most definitely rent a yacht or a boat and be on the water. It is absolutely gorgeous out here, guys. So that's definitely an option if you're wanting to see some things, feed some fishes, go to some beaches. This is definitely the way to go. We booked an excursion through Amstar at our all-inclusive resort, and they use Esperanza's boats. So with this, the main thing that we wanted to see was the Arch, which is very famous. But along the way, they do show you some of the popular beaches. You get to see some wildlife. It's super pretty out there. They did stop and we were able to feed the fishes. The water is super clear. So this was definitely a good excursion to go on. We were also able to see some of the famous beaches that are out there. I will say definitely pay attention to the forecast and the weather, because the day that we went, the waves and the current was so strong that we could not be out there for long, and they did warn us. But if you have motion sickness and you're on a small boat, not the way to go, just a heads up. And this is the famous Cabo Arch. Next up is this glass factory. This was booked through Amstar as well. So the link to everything can be found down below. Transportation was included for us to get there since we booked it as a package. This was a really cool small owned family business where they make a lot of different things from scratch. So we were able to sit there and watch the process from start to finish. And it was actually really, really cool. Afterwards, you can walk around the shop, which has a lot of different things you can purchase. This is what I got, which was super pretty. I love the colors on it. If you are looking for food, Gus's Tacos is the place to go. So hands down, these were the best tacos that I had the entire time I was in Cabo. So everything that you have seen so far in terms of excursions have been in Cabo San Lucas, not San Jose, San Lucas. And so this spot is located kind of in the central part of Cabo San Lucas. 10 out of 10 would recommend, and it was super affordable. Alrighty, now San Jose. So on Thursdays, they do have an art walk, which is definitely something to do. It was very enjoyable. You get to see art pieces. All of the streets are shut down. They have street performances, entertainment. If you like to take pictures, there are lots of photo opportunities for you. It's just a good vibe all around. Just randomly stumbled across this restaurant which had garden-like vibes. Ambiance was 10 out of 10. You walk through this small little corridor and then it opens up to a big restaurant where they also have live music. So this is definitely somewhere to check out as well. Another restaurant that I would recommend is, I believe the owner pronounced it as Xeshu. I'll post a link down below, but it's locally owned by a guy and his family, and the food as well as the service was really, really good. Other things that you should try out, definitely an all-inclusive resort, whether you're staying there for a night or the entire trip, or even just checking out a pool, because a lot of these hotels do have day passes that you can go and use their amenities. Also, definitely try out a swimmable beach. Not all beaches are swimmable. It depends on the current, but also the time of season. So yeah, definitely something else to try out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Definitely remember to subscribe and like. I also have a few other videos out on Cabo, so definitely feel free to check those out as well. Thanks, guys.